Hello everyone. So today we will discuss the book review of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. So this book is written by Dr. Joseph Murphy, and today we will see the review which is given by me. In this video we will discuss the book which is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, in which we will see why we should read this book and why this book is important, and you must read this book for your upliftment and motivation. So I will give you the book review of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Let's check why this book is important, why I am only giving this book review, because this book is so much helpful, and we will see the features and importance of this book. So this book is the source of motivation and your upliftment. So if we want to understand the book, so we need to understand one word, which is subconscious. So subconscious meaning is that this is the concerning part of your mind which one is not fully aware, but which influence one's action and feelings. The subconscious means that that is your inner part, and you are not aware about that, like when you are sleeping. So there is something which is controlling your body, so influence your body. So this is the meaning of subconscious. So let's see why this book is important, and this book will improve your vocabulary, and there are many words to explore the happenings of life, like miracle, wisdom and faith. So this book will give you so much new vocabularies to learn in English, and this book will teach you life lessons, and it will make you happen something new. So this book gives sum ups and short key points in last of the chapter, which is its main feature, that this book will be better and good understanding by the sum ups in the last of the every chapter. If you read this book, you will get that. So this book was bestseller as well. So this book will give brief summaries, like there is a section in ideas worth remembering. So this will teach you real life lesson, and I am suggesting this book after so many research and my personal experience. I have read this book, and this book has helped me a lot to learn new thing and to explore the life. So let's check who is the author and why this book is important. So about the author, in this we will discuss who is the author. So the author of this book is Dr. Joseph Murphy. May 20, 1898 to December 16, 1981. He was an Irish-born American author and New Thought minister ordained in divine science and religious science. Murphy wrote more than 30 books. His most famous work, which is I am discussing with you, that is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, which was first published in 1963, became an immediate bestseller. So you should think that this book have something to be explored. So this book was very useful and knowledgeable. So this book has sold many millions of copies worldwide. He traveled India as well. So we are Indian, so he has traveled India, and he believe in divine science. He has done PhD and many things. A person who had a particularly strong influence on Murphy was Thomas Troward. So if he is writing the book, he has some influence as well. So who was judge as well as philosopher, doctor and professor. So Troward became Murphy's mentor. From him he not only learned philosophy, theology and law, but also introduced mysticism and particularly the Masonic order. Murphy chose to become a minister, bring his broad knowledge to the public. He moved his ministry Laguna Hills, California, where he died in 1981. So the Dr. Joseph Murphy was the author, and we came to know about the author of this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Let's check what is the book is about. So the book is about one of our inner power, which is our subconscious mind, and this book helps us visualization and things and think positive always. This book consists 20 chapters. The book has something interesting stories which you can change a situation by directing your thoughts towards a desired outcome, thereby changing your failures into success. You need to read this book to be master of your destiny. It's going to change your view from I can do it to I can do anything. So this book is all about your inner power and your subconscious mind, which will change your life, and this book is life changing book, and you must read this book, and this book will provide you a visualization power, and you will learn many more new things. So the power of your subconscious book review is that you must read this book to improve yourself. You like to read If you like to read the novels and books which can change your life, the link for this book of PDF is in the description. Like the video.